Hello, and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and this one is Polybag 30460, and this is Rex's Plantimal ambush. Anyway, if you're interested in this particular Polybag, I have included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and Bricklink, and also I've included the link for Brickset if you just want information about this Polybag. Now also there's a link in the description for a Google Doc that has information about all of my Polybag build-alongs, past, present, and future. So if you want to build along with a current one, or previous one, or one that's coming up, all that information is also in that Google Doc, along with links and everything. And if you enjoy these kind of Polybag build-alongs, please think about subscribing, because I plan on doing one of these a day for the foreseeable future, which will hopefully be at least a little bit fun and enjoyable. Alright, so let's check this out. So this is good old Rex, and he's got this face and this face. So I think our Rex, for this time, he's going to be kind of more happy-go-lucky, and we're going to go with this. And then it is good to have the option, though. Sometimes... Alright, so I got that. And then we'll give good old Rex his amazing amount of hair. And then some legs. Alright, so this is Rex. And Rex needs his gun. Alright, so let's build Rex's gun real quick. Alright. Now, this Polybag, I'm not super crazy about it so far, and it's not necessarily that it's bad, it's just this is more of like a single character Polybag where the main thing is the minifig, and it's not really it's not exactly a build, it's just kind of like a showcase for the minifig itself. And I don't know, I'm just not... These kind of Polybags aren't bad, but they're just not that exciting to put together, if that makes sense. I mean, I guess maybe it makes sense to y'all, but I mean, like, it's just, I don't know, because I mean, like, Rex is kind of neat, and you know, minifigs are undeniably fun, but the problem is, it's just like, you kind of, I don't know. If I want to do a build, I want the build to be, like, interesting. I don't want to, I mean, Rex's gun is okay, but it's just, there's not that much to it so far. I don't know. What do y'all think? I mean, like, do you think that, are the Polybags that are just, you know, about the character that's in it, are they just, I mean, is it one of the, this is tough to kind of describe. If you're specifically interested in the character, that's a lot different from, you know, if you're looking for something fun to build. Did I miss something with that? No, okay, I got that. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments, though. Like, how do you feel about the Polybags that are, like, single character things? Alright, so Rex has his big old gun, like so. Nearly absurd. Okay, I don't like this. You see this part here where these twist? I feel like this should be a different piece. Like, maybe there should be, maybe these should have been, you know, the one by one cylinders pieces. I don't know. It's kind of, I mean, like, it's kind of an interesting looking gun, but I feel like these, having them twist, and then also having them where you can see this side part, the cutout. I think it hurts that. It hurts the look of the gun. Alright. And now we got to put together the Plantimal. That's a weird piece. Interesting looking. I like it. Alright, so I gotta put these sort of spread on the base, like so. Alright, I might be liking the Plantimal. I'm probably mispronouncing it, but I'm thinking I like it so far. Alright, so we got that. And then this goes on top, like so. And then something purple and glittery, because that's how we roll. Alright, so we got that. And then a crab, I guess. Yeah, sure. There's a crab. Unexpected, but still a thing. Alright, so got another purple glittery thing here, like so. And then this attaches here. So it's kind of funny that this is almost completely concealed by the purple plant piece. Alright. And then we got this right there. And an orange piece. And then we need this and the eyes, which I kind of did out of order a little bit. Alright, let me pop this back off so we can make sure the eyes don't look super crazy. It's kind of interesting that the place where you have the eye, like the white part of the eye, kind of affects the expression. Like with these like this, my Plantimal kind of looks a little nutty, but we're gonna go with it. Alright, so I got that there, and then this attaches right here like this. Alright, that's kind of cool looking. That's neat looking. I like that. I wasn't thinking I'd like this, but I feel like there's just like some Lego pieces that were in the bottom of a drawer happened to come together and made a monster. And maybe that's what they were going for with the movie. And then we got good old Rex. So, not a terribly complicated build, but it's kind of got some neat looking stuff in it, and the Plantimal being the neatest one. And Rex isn't too bad, I guess. Anyway, let me know what you think. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.